Tricky words set 10. H-I-S, his. H-I-S, his. H-I-S, his. The little boy is playing with his toy. S-O-M-E, some. S-O-M-E, some. S-O-M-E, some. He bought sunflowers for his mother. L-O-O-K-E-D, looked. L-O-O-K-E-D, looked. L-O-O-K-E-D, looked. Amy looked out of the window. P-E-O, P-L-E, people. P-E-O, P-L-E, people. P-E-O, P-L-E, people. The bus is full of people. M-A-K-E, make. M-A-K-E, make. M-A-K-E, make. Let's make a big snowman. B-U-T, but. B-U-T, but. B-U-T, but. I like chocolate, but I can't eat too much. S-O, so. S-O, so. S-O, so. I was tired, so I went to bed early. V-E-R-Y, very. V-E-R-Y, very. V-E-R-Y, very. The shopping bags are very heavy. Y-O-U-R, your. Y-O-U-R, your. Y-O-U-R, your. What is your name? My name is Ben. A-N-N. 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 Sue found an old book in her grandma's library. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.